Before words had meaning, before symbols were carved into stone, before history was written, there was sound. Long before cities, before farming, before metal tools, early humans lived in a world that never went silent. Wind moved through tall grass, water flowed through rivers and streams, animals cried into the night, thunder rolled across open skies. For early humans, sound was not background noise. Sound was information. Sound was survival. A snapping branch could mean a predator. A distant cry could mean danger or food. But among all these sounds, humans noticed something special. Many of them repeated. The steady rhythm of footsteps during migration, the constant beating of the heart inside the chest, the crashing of waves against the shore. Rhythm was everywhere. At first, humans did not try to create music. Music discovered them. A hand struck a stone by accident. A foot stomped the ground in fear or excitement. Two voices called out and echoed back from a cave wall. These sounds felt different. They felt powerful. Around fires at night, early humans gathered for warmth and protection. Flames flickered against tired faces. Shadows danced along cave walls. Darkness beyond the firelight was full of fear. Then someone clapped. Another followed. Soon several people were clapping together. In that moment, something changed. Fear became smaller. The group felt stronger. This was not entertainment. This was connection. When humans moved and sounded together, they felt united. Rhythm turned individuals into a single group, breathing and moving as one. This was the beginning of music. No instruments, no melodies, only instinct and repetition. Over time, humans began repeating certain sounds on purpose. They discovered that slow beats brought calm, while fast beats created excitement and energy. Before a hunt, the group gathered. They stomped, clapped, and chanted. The rhythm raised courage. It sharpened focus. It helped hunters move together at the same pace. Music became preparation. During long migrations, rhythm helped regulate breathing and walking speed. Moving together to a beat reduced exhaustion and helped humans travel farther across unknown lands. Music became endurance. As human intelligence and curiosity grew, people began to experiment. They struck hollow logs and noticed deeper sounds. They stretched animal skins across wooden frames and discovered vibration. Bones were carved and blown into, creating the earliest flutes. These were no longer accidents. These were instruments. Music slowly became intentional. Different sounds were used for different moments, one rhythm for celebration, another for warning, a slower beat for grief and loss. Sound began to carry meaning when words were still limited. In caves, humans painted animals, hunts, and handprints on stone walls. While painting, they sang and drummed. Echoes turned caves into natural concert halls. Sound felt alive. Many early humans believed music came from unseen forces. They believed rhythm could call spirits, honor ancestors, and influence nature itself. Songs were used to ask for rain. Drums were used to heal the sick. Chants were used to guide the dead. Music became sacred. Elders taught rhythms to children through repetition. There were no written rules. Knowledge lived in sound and memory. A beat could tell a story. A melody could carry history across generations. Music became humanity's first emotional language. As humans spread across continents, music traveled with them. New environments shaped new sounds. Forests, deserts, mountains, and rivers all influenced rhythm and tone. Yet one truth remained unchanged. Every human culture created music.
because music was never optional. It was human. Over time, music grew more complex. Simple rhythms turned into structured beats. Vocal sounds turned into early melodies. Group chanting evolved into songs with meaning and purpose. Music helped humans celebrate birth. It helped them mourn death. It helped them remember who they were. Even today, our bodies respond instantly to rhythm. Our hearts adjust to tempo. Our brains recognize patterns. Our emotions shift with sound. That reaction is ancient. It comes from nights around the fire, from clapping hands in the dark, from the first human who realized sound could unite people. Music did not begin as art. It began as survival, as communication, as unity. And from those first simple rhythms came drums, flutes, songs, orchestras, and every style of music we know today. Music is older than language, older than history, older than civilization itself. And when we listen closely, we can still hear the heartbeat of our ancestors. Every song ever created began with a single beat in a world learning how to feel together.